Cracking the code to freelance freedom. Today, we're diving into the Toptal screening process to get you one step closer to landing high-paying remote gigs. First things first, head over to Toptal's website and locate the Apply button. You'll need to create your account, providing your basic information. During account creation, fill out all the necessary fields: your name, your email, and make a strong password. Then, carefully select your area of expertise and describe your technical background. Next, the skill assessment begins. It's a multi-stage process. The initial phase is a comprehensive skills test focused on answering questions thoroughly. Following the skills test is the communication exam and a personality assessment. This assesses your ability to work effectively with a team and how well you communicate with others. Being clear and concise is key. Highlight your collaborative skill set. Now onto the technical screening, or the coding test. This might involve a live coding session with a Toptal interviewer or a test that will challenge your technical chops. Be sure to prepare with your language of choice and practice coding under time constraints. After acing the tests, you'll be asked to submit a project portfolio. Now, you can showcase your best work. Be ready to describe the problems you solve and your individual contributions. Once you sail successfully through those hurdles, you'll be awarded your Toptal Verification, opening doors to top-tier freelance opportunities. Remember, each stage assesses your skills and communication. Good luck. #Toptal Verified. #Freelance Screening.